Greetings everyone, my name is Aranow. I'm part of the marketing team here at PPi Technologies Group. We are so excited about this year's PAC Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. But wait, before we head out there, let's give you guys a sneak peek. When I go food shopping, nothing beats a great ceiling. What a great ceiling means to me is a great map ceiling and skin ceiling. Look at how great this looks right here. I tell you what, this is the perfect starter machine, Caveco YPSILON. So what are you waiting on? Go ahead and pick yourself up one today. Let's go take a look at the rest. You know, I've always wondered how one of these stick packs were made. Here at PPi Technologies Group, it's revealed with the Aranow AN650. Look at this machine, this sleek machine. Easy accessibility, easy to clean. What's stopping you from owning one of these bad boys? Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the machine. All right, this machine right here is the PSG LEE RD-314 Duplex. This bad boy is all about a quick changeover.
Thank you, Aranow. You're right. This machine can change over pouches in less than 10 minutes. It's a co-packer's dream. It can package anything from mushrooms to pasta to tomato sauce. Wait, that kind of sounds like dinner. But I've got more to show you. Come right this way. Hi, guys. Our PSG Xray machine, and this machine was designed to give you a peace of mind that your dinner does not have any foreign objects like stones, plastics, metals, or ninja stars. Speaking of dinner, I'm getting hungry. See you at the show.